you want to start your own business, you can do it. If you want to, be your own boss, you can be your boss. Nah, you can do it. But best believe, know what comes with it. Hey, we live now, really.
Oh man, I say that you always gotta know everything has a counterpart to it.
That's facts.
Regardless, you turn on the cold, you eat the hot. It's just
That's facts.
just basics.
That's facts,
Hey,
man.
I totally understand that. That's for sure, man. My biggest thing I say, entrepreneur, make sure you have a business plan. Your basic thing you should have. If people most say business plan, I just say goals. What are make 3. Knock them out. Don't go big. You ain't got to go big all the time. Go small, a little bit steps. All right.
That's facts.
Your steps gonna turn into 5, 10. All right, cool. Now we move.
That's facts.
I was reading. I forgot what book I was reading. It was just talking about gaining momentum. Once you gain the momentum, use your momentum.
That's facts. And that's the thing, bro. Like that, the momentum is key. People don't understand. Sometimes, we talk about momentum in sports, and we talk about the team getting. You got momentum in your life.
Yeah, life.
When something good happens, when something positive is going good for you, use that as fuel. Use that all right, let's go. What's next? You get some money, you get a bonus. How can I get another bonus? Oh, okay, you got an A. How can I get another A? Oh, okay, yes. Like at the end of the day, you didn't sold 10. You didn't sold 10 bottles of potion. How can I sell 20? How can I sell 50? How can I sell 100? What? 1,000? How can I get in the stores? How can I put them on the shelves? Come on, die. Blaze Potion will be on the shelves soon. You heard it hit first. But anyway, like, hey, like it's up to you, man. It's up to you to go after what you want. And hey, shit, I say if you want it, you can go get it.
Yeah. And just surround yourself by like-minded people. It make it easy if you go with a group because everybody more hands on deck just doing the same thing and stuff gonna get done more faster. That's just facts. What it is.
That's life. That's how
one man army hard, but you go with an army. All right, let's go.
Hey, let's go. Real talk. Let's go.
Even 2, two is enough to be a few.
Hey, and 2 you can make it do. You feel me? And 2 will do. Goddamn it. And that's the thing. Like, get you at least. Hey, it's hard to move a motherfucking couch by yourself, but you can get your ass at least another person. Hey, you can move that motherfucker.
Hey, ain't no lie. He need 2 people.
Hey, you need. Hey, you need another motherfucker now. Hey, you can start it by yourself now. But sometimes you're gonna need a little help. You're gonna need you're gonna need somebody on your team. You can't burn all your bridges now. You can't do all that. Hey, I said burn your bridges, but burn them in this wise way, not with people. Hey, sometimes you gotta burn them with some people though. I'm just saying, hey, you gotta decipher some of this shit I'm telling you. Hey, it's gyms on gyms we giving them now. Hey, but man, hey,
what we on? Hey, the Golden Gym podcast.
Hey, yes, the Golden Gyms podcast. Potion. Have you got yourself the potion? Have you used the promo code yet? Man, you ain't even used the promo code yet. What did you sitting here waiting for? The promo code is GEEM. Yes, M. Z. Yes, Z. And what that spell? Gyms. GEMZ. Yes, Gyms. Hey, stop playing with me. Go ahead, use a promo code. Get yourself some Blaze Potion. But hey, we back. And hey, Jimmy, Blaze, I got a good question for you, man. I got a good question for you.
Question.
All right, listen to me. Listen, man. I got a good question. I need some help now. So I've been listening to some music lately, and I've been hearing a lot of talk about, people asking, who is probably like, the top 3 best artists in the game right now. Whether it's female or male, or or what about top 5? I keep on telling people I can't really do 3 all the time, but I can do a top 5 for them. So here right now, I want to hear your top 5 musicians that you listen to right here. Right now that you got a heavy rotation right now.
And heavy, okay, all right, because I always feel like I can't answer it all the time. Like, man, who I always say, because it changes. Like, I be listening to different people differently at different times.
So do you want to do all time? No, I'm trying to say you from all time.
I don't really know my all time, but I know who I listen to heavily. But right now, I can tell you.
In rotation right now. Talk to me.
Nip.
Okay.
My boy Doe.
Doe. Okay.
Who else? Them the main two.
Nip,
and
Doe.
Doe, some Dom Kennedy for sure.
Dom Kennedy. Okay. I don't know who that is. You might have to put me on though.
Man.
Hold on.
Just we working. I feel like I got a lot of R&B going. Like I've been mixing.
Okay. Like, he said he gotta go here. Hey.
That's like a 30%. I gotta put it in there because I've been looking for a lot of new music. So I've been downloading a lot of new stuff.
Okay.
Like,
so you switching it up on?
I just be adding stuff. Like I listen to music all day. Like I listen to music all day in the barbershop. Like
that's facts. So you always gonna hit.
Always listen to music.
Always. That's facts.
And so it's like I might be a DJ one day. I'm speaking on it just because I just like music so much. Just see
DJ
if I can
Jimmy Blaze. Hey.
We gonna use the Blaze. Blaze
is
gonna be a staple name. That is what it is. That's the brand. That's the thing. That's what it is.
Brand.
Blaze Posey, Jimmy Blaze, we Blaze.
Okay.
That's it, man.
Okay, I respect
it. As I say, vertical.
He said vertical. Hey,
that's it.
Always.
Everything.
Always. Okay, so you got a few artists. So now when you gave me a list that you listen to right now. Okay, now I'm curious. I gotta get you the top 5 now. I gotta get your top 5 of all time. I'm pretty sure they want to know. I'm pretty sure this is the topic that the people keep on talking about. But I got to get the top 5.
Oh man,
artists all time, all the greatest ever, the goats, as they sort of in the new age, our generation say the goat, who the goats, who you're on your Mount Rushmore of hip hop, or just music in general.
Music in general, because man, I'm like, oh man,
come on, top 5. Top 5.
I'm gonna just give you something that I know I'm gonna play anytime. That I always gonna know it's gonna ride. That really tells me what the top 5 is. If I play anything by them and I know it's gonna ride, whatever circumstance I'm in, it's right. I can say 50 Cent for sure.
50 Cent, okay. You said Snoop Dogg?
Tupac.
50 Cent is Tupac.
Tupac is great. Weight room music
for
some reason. I don't like
Tupac hit different.
I don't know why. In the weight room,
Tupac hit different.
You put your headphones on, and that's what it just do for me.
My Tupac song, not to cut you off, my Tupac song this week has been it's I ain't mad at you, but fuck, no, not mad. But it's been one song that I've been listening to all week. It's funny that you say that. But go ahead,
Tupac.
You got 3 more. You got 3 more.
Nip enough for sure.
Nip. Okay, so you got 50 Cent, Nip, Tupac. You got 2 more.
I'm trying to add somebody else. I'm gonna go Charlie Wilson for sure.
Charlie Wilson. Ooh, some R&B in there. Okay, I like that. That's a little different. That's okay. You gotta respect
Uncle Charlie. Bye. Uncle Charlie. Okay. If you know, you know.
He just got his Hollywood. He just got a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame too.
That's trying to find a concert. I go to that, man. I should have went. Man, I ain't messed up. My bad. I can't really be called nephew because I ain't been to no concert. I want to go to a concert.
Hey, I ain't gonna cap. That's a legend right there. What? And then too, I'm gonna have one of his songs playing at my wedding too. Side note, I'm gonna get married one day, maybe. I might, we might have a pretend wedding, maybe.
A pretend wedding is crazy, but why are you doing that, bro? Why would you do a pretend wedding?
Nah, because sometimes. Hey, we live now, really.